What if you could enjoy real bread again without worrying about your health or your weight? Hello, welcome to Find Here Reviews channel. If you're on a diet, but you're suffering because you removed some foods like bread, sandwiches and pizza from the menu, don't worry, we have good news for you. We prepared this video to introduce you to Healing Gourmet and reveal the secret so that you can enjoy delicious bread without worrying about your health, blood sugar and weight gain. We know that it is difficult to follow a diet, whether for health or aesthetics. But you don't have to give up the pleasure of a warm French toast, a cheeseburger on a real bun or a crusty piece of garlic bread to go with bolognese and meatballs. You can continue to eat all of this and the best, without harming your health or your diet. With bread like this, you won't feel the need to cheat on your healthy diet. What if these delicious real food buns are grain-free, high in healthy fats, and very low in carbs? For nearly 20 years, the Healing Gourmet company has become the world's leading provider of healing recipes and meal plans combined with science-based education on the power of food to promote health and protect against disease. These breads have smart ingredients to get all the attributes you love about bread, but are made without gluten, grains, and carbs. The best breads you'll ever taste with the same fresh bread taste and aroma you know and love. Also, these healthy breads are perfect for the ketogenic diet. The recipes in this book represent more than a decade of dedicated efforts. Each uses functional ingredients that actually protect, not destroy, your health. These breads are truly metabolic foods that can help you sculpt a lean physique instead of puffing up the top of your muffin. And yet, they're so authentically delicious, you'll never miss the grain, carb-filled bread you used to eat. I'm talking about real bread, as good as any you'll ever taste. You'll enjoy all the grain-free baking tips in keto breads, plus 35 amazingly simple and delicious recipes. If you want to purchase this wonderful book of delicious recipes, you can click on the link in the description and you can check out more information on the official website. So, did you like today's content? We sincerely hope so. Thanks for watching our content. Until the next video.